Ready to give your home a luxury upgrade without the hassle? These luxury smart home gadgets add style, convenience, and cutting-edge features that instantly transform everyday living. Once you see what they can do, you'll wonder how your home ever went without them. All the links are in the description below. What if your coffee table was alive? This 25-gallon aquarium doubles as a full-sized square coffee table, turning your living room centerpiece into an underwater world. Blue glass gravel glows from beneath, casting a dreamy light that makes every fish look like it's swimming in a jewel box. The sturdy, beveled glass top is thick enough to set drinks on. Guests won't believe their eyes. A sleek black base hides the two-stage filtration system completely, so all you see is the magic. No cluttered equipment, no exposed tubing, just clean lines and living art. It holds a full 25 gallons, giving your fish plenty of room to roam. It's the conversation starter your living room didn't know it needed. Your waitstaff just got a robot colleague. This autonomous delivery robot glides through restaurants, hotels, and malls carrying trays of food and drinks without bumping into a single chair or customer. Smart navigation maps out the most efficient route every time, dodging obstacles on the fly. Multiple trays mean it handles several tables in one trip, cutting down the back and forth that slows service during rush hour. It works quietly in the background, freeing your human staff to focus on hospitality instead of hauling plates. Hotels can use it for room service, malls for food courts, offices for catering runs. The look and language can even be customized to match your brand. It's not replacing your team, it's giving them a very reliable, very tireless helper. Your living room just became the main character. This U-shaped sectional fits 6 people comfortably and wraps around you like the world's most stylish hug. But here's where it gets fun. RGB lights run along the base, automatically switching on when you walk in and off when you leave. Sync them to music, and your couch literally pulses to the beat. 7 dynamic modes and 24 static colors mean the vibe is always yours to set. Buried inside the armrest is a wireless charger plus USB and Type-C ports, so your phone never dies mid-movie. 2 hidden storage ottomans swallow blankets, books, and clutter whole. The cushion covers zip off and goes straight in the wash. It's not just a sofa, it's the centerpiece your living room has been waiting for. That one room in your home that's always too hot or too cold. This fixes it. A smart vent booster fan drops right into your existing floor or wall register and pushes air exactly where your HVAC system struggles to reach. A built-in thermostat reads the room temperature and automatically adjusts fan speed, so you never have to think about it. At its quietest, it runs under 16 decibels, which is barely a whisper. You won't even know it's there. Control it from the couch or across town through a simple app. No rewiring, no contractors, no headaches. It slots straight into any standard 4x10-inch vent opening. One small fan, and suddenly every room in the house feels exactly the way it should. Dry air is doing more damage than you think. Cracked lips, restless sleep, unhappy plants. This sleek humidifier quietly fixes all of it. A 5-liter tank runs for up to 50 hours straight before needing a refill, covering rooms up to 280 square feet. At just 28 decibels, it's quieter than a library whisper. Sleep mode even switches the display off completely, so nothing disturbs you. 3 mist levels let you dial in exactly the right amount of moisture, and the smart thermostat maintains your ideal humidity automatically. Set a timer, adjust settings, or check in from anywhere using a simple app. Filling and cleaning takes seconds thanks to the wide top opening. Small investment, dramatically better air. Stop paying $7 for a latte. This all-in-one espresso machine grinds fresh beans, pulls a rich shot, and froths silky milk, all before your morning alarm stops ringing. A built-in burr grinder with 20 grind settings means you're always working with fresh grounds, not stale pre-ground powder. The 20-bar pressure system, the same standard professional cafes use, extracts every drop of flavor and produces that golden crema on top. The 360-degree steam wand lets you craft lattes, cappuccinos, macchiatos, or just a classic Americano exactly the way you like. A generous 60-ounce water tank means fewer refills during your morning routine. Compact enough to fit any kitchen counter, powerful enough to replace your coffee shop habit entirely. Cafe quality, home price. Your floors have secrets, and this robot vacuum just exposed them. Built-in UV light reveals invisible stains, spills, and pet messes the naked eye completely misses, then tackles them with a mop that scrubs 7 times harder than a standard robotic mop. It vacuums, mops, and navigates entirely on its own, using AI that recognizes your floor plan, dodges toys, furniture, and anything else in its path. When it's done, the base station takes over, automatically emptying the dustbin, refilling the water tank, and washing the mop pad with 185 degrees Fahrenheit water so it's sanitized and ready for next time. You go up to 60 days without touching a thing. 3 hours of battery per charge means it finishes the whole job in one go. Set a schedule from your phone and forget cleaning exists. Going away for the weekend just got a lot less stressful for you and your cat. This automatic feeder keeps wet food actually refrigerated using built-in cooling technology, so meals stay fresh for up to 3 days without ice packs or any extra effort. 3 separate compartments hold 3 individual meals, and each portion quietly warms to room temperature 30 minutes before mealtime, so your cat isn't eating cold food straight from the fridge. A stainless steel tray resists bacteria and pops straight into the dishwasher. Safety sensors on the lid detect when your cat is eating and pause closing so nobody gets pinched. This is what your living room wall has been waiting for. This 55-inch OLED smart TV uses 128 AI neural networks, basically a tiny supercomputer inside your TV, to make everything you watch look sharper, brighter, and more detailed than the original footage. Older videos and streaming content get automatically upgraded to near 4K quality in real time. Fast scenes stay crystal clear at 144 Hz refresh rate, meaning sports and gaming look smooth with zero blur or tearing. Contrast is deep, colors are vivid, and bright scenes don't wash out dark ones. Alexa is built right in, so you control everything with your voice. It learns your habits, adjusts picture settings scene by scene, and just keeps getting smarter. No garden, no yard, no problem. This indoor hydroponic garden lets you grow up to 15 fresh herbs and vegetables right on your kitchen counter, all year round. No soil, no mess, no guesswork. Full-spectrum LED lights mimic natural sunlight and are proven to grow plants up to 5 times faster than traditional soil gardening. A built-in timer automatically runs the lights 16 hours on and 8 hours off. You don't touch a thing. Seeds sprout in as little as 3 days. The water tank only needs a refill once a month, and a silent pump keeps roots oxygenated around the clock. 2 light modes let you switch between herbs and leafy greens, or fruits and flowers, depending on what you're growing. Dessert just got way more fun. This ice cream ball lets you make fresh ice cream while you roll, toss, or play. Just add your ingredients on one side, ice and salt on the other, and let the motion do the magic. In about 25 minutes, you've got a creamy treat ready to enjoy. It's easy to open, simple to clean, and perfect for turning snack time into an activity. Your living room just got a personality upgrade. This bubble-style couch instantly stands out with its soft curves and eye-catching design. The 3D honeycomb fabric isn't just for looks. It stays breathable, so you stay cool and comfortable while lounging. deep cushioning supports your whole body, making it perfect for long sits or quick naps. Best part? No assembly needed, just unpack it and relax. Turn every corner into a stylish display with these floating shelves. Designed to fit snugly into 90-degree corners, they hold books, plants, or decor while saving space. Each shelf features adjustable LED lights, letting you create a cozy or bright atmosphere with a simple touch. Made from sturdy wood with a sleek finish, they're built to last. Easy to mount and elegant, they combine practicality with modern charm for any room. Say goodbye to hidden dust and allergens in your bed. This portable mattress vacuum uses double pulsating pads that shake out dirt with high-frequency vibrations, loosening even the tiniest particles. The powerful 400-watt motor creates strong suction that reaches deep into mattresses, pillows, sofas, and carpets. Its HEPA and stainless steel filters trap almost all dust, while the washable design keeps it fresh. A clear dust box makes emptying quick and mess-free, so your space stays clean and healthy. Your bedside table just got a serious upgrade. This smart nightstand does more than hold your essentials. It charges your devices, lights up your space, and keeps valuables hidden. Built-in USB, Type-C, and wireless charging mean you can power everything right next to your bed. The adjustable LED light lets you switch between cozy and bright with a simple touch. And the hidden safe gives you a secure spot for anything you want to keep private. Laptop? Who needs one? This transparent keyboard case turns your tablet into a full productivity machine without hiding its good looks. The clear hard shell shows off your device while protecting it from drops, and the 7-color RGB backlight keeps you typing comfortably in any lighting. A 360-degree rotating stand flips and tilts to any angle, whether you're typing a paper, sketching, or streaming. The built-in trackpad gives you smooth, laptop-style cursor control, and a magnetic slot keeps your stylus right where you left it. One case, every mode. Music shouldn't just be heard, it should be seen. This magnetic levitating speaker floats a glowing orb in midair while it spins and plays your favorite tracks. The rotating design spreads sound in every direction, creating a true 3D audio experience all around you. With Bluetooth connectivity, you can stream from your phone from across the room without losing clarity. Simple touch controls let you adjust volume, switch light effects, or power it on in seconds. It's part speaker, part light show, and completely unforgettable. A lamp and a speaker walked into a room and completely transformed it. This cordless smart lamp pairs crystal clear JBL audio with 210-color LEDs that pulse and sync to your music in real time, with a reaction speed so fast it catches every beat. Choose from over 100 lighting scenes for any mood, or customize every single bulb to your own design. The built-in battery runs for hours completely wire-free, so you can take the party anywhere in your home. It even connects to Alexa, Google, and your smartphone, because great ambiance should be effortless. Stop losing space in your kitchen corners. This pull-out corner cabinet turns hard-to-reach blind spots into easy-access storage. 4 sliding baskets hold everything from pots to pantry items, and you can adjust or remove them to fit taller or shorter things. Made from sturdy steel with tempered glass shelves, it's strong and built to last. Left or right corner? No problem, you can install it wherever you need and slide it out completely to reach every item. Take your snacks and drinks anywhere without worrying about soggy sandwiches or melted ice. This soft cooler holds up to 36 cans and keeps ice frozen for hours, thanks to advanced insulation. A built-in dry zone keeps food separate and fridge cool, while the leak-proof lid lets you grab drinks quickly. 2 ice packs and a hidden drawer make organization easy. Comfortable backpack straps make it simple to carry on hikes, picnics, or any outdoor adventure. Checking your blood pressure doesn't have to feel complicated. This barrel-style monitor lets you just slide your arm in and press one button to get a reading in seconds. No wrapping cuffs or adjusting straps, so it's quick and stress-free every time. The large screen uses color signals to help you understand your results at a glance. It even saves readings for 2 people, so you can easily track progress over time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.